Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And we can see that Bitcoin is back to 21,147 again this weekend, just chopping a little bit sideways, not much action. And we can see that we just printed a new weekly time frame, so a 4 and a 5, so basically neutral. So let's just see what happens this week. Again, this is just a DBSI on the weekly time frame. It's just going to show us like a macro picture of what's going to be coming into the week, and maybe some more sideways action. But on the daily time frame, we've printed now an 8 and a 6, so definitely less bullish than that 21 and a -5. Let's see what happens at market open tomorrow. The SPY is right now, and the SPY and the Nasdaq are in the green at the moment in the overnight markets. We can see that we have some confluence coming right here with this major trend line and this gap fill right here on June 27th, which would be tomorrow morning, actually all day tomorrow. And if we do pump up, we could get a potential nice touch point right here, which would be maybe the top before we start to continue our move down. Again, this doesn't mean we can't break it. If we do break it and we continue this move towards the upside in the equities market, then you have your next resistance at this previous top right here. I'm going to be looking to enter some shorts. Again, we made a beautiful play the other week, I believe, or this week actually, on longing the Russell 2000. As we can see, the Russell getting a beautiful move from this low point right here up over 6.5%, or basically 7%. Again, we used the UWM right there, 2-time leverage ETF, and made a beautiful 14% trade. So if you guys want to see my stock trades and not only my crypto trades, you guys can join the Discord. And yeah, let's just keep going right here. Again, Bitcoin is breaking out of this falling wedge, or ascending wedge right here, which is a bearish pattern. But again, a lot of people are talking about the big inverse head and shoulders, like so. I mean, I guess you could say it was in the inverse head and shoulders if we've broken it, and the target from here would be around 25,000. But let's just see what happens. If the equities start dumping tomorrow, then you're going to see Bitcoin dump back towards the downside, at which point you could probably take a look at some previous lows right here around 17,000 or 18,000, at which point if we don't break this previous low, then we retest this as support, and we could potentially get a very large W pattern. I am still bullish at the moment in the short term, but in the macro picture, we have a lot of we are in a bear market. There's a lot of major trend lines I'm going to be outlining right here. Actually, let me just show you guys over here. There's so many charts, too many charts. You guys making me do too many charts. Very tired. I was trying to, I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, I've been trying to set up a new miner that I shipped for EDC mining for about 2 hours. I was unable to set it up. I'm gonna get back to it after that, so that's why I'm probably a little bit tired right now. But if we do get a pump, the previous low right here, like I outlined before, 25,400 is going to be some major resistance in the short term. But in the short term, in the micro term right now, I can definitely see Bitcoin pumping up a little bit more, if the equities rally. But yeah, overall, I think I'm just gonna end this video right here. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna get back to it. I might make a video tomorrow morning. I am on vacation, and after all, I think historically speaking, every time I've gone on vacation, the Bitcoin price has dumped. So maybe entering some shorts now wouldn't be a bad idea. I'm just kidding. That's not financial advice. Don't do that. Actually, let's take a look at a few more things before I end the video. This is not a very long video. I'm very tired right now. I spent over 2.5 hours in front of the computer trying to set up the miner. And yeah, I think that we would see some significant resistance coming at that 200 weekly. This is actually the first time that we've closed the 200 underneath the 200 weekly without rallying back up towards the upside. Every time we've gone to bounce, right, and bounce there, bounce here, and then we did pierce it, but we ended up closing and the next week above the 200 weekly, and this time we've closed underneath it. So we are making history at the moment, guys. You are living in it. Bitcoin is still very young. Also, let's take a look to see where the BTC longs, what they're doing. Are they going to dump towards the downside? If they start to dump their longs towards the downside, then most likely the Bitcoin price is going to be pumping towards the upside. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.